we're looking at how chia seed help women ovulate. You know that you have been hearing chia seed, chia seed, chia seed. You don't know how it helps women ovulate, and it has been said that any woman that takes chia seed every time has a high tendency to ovulate. Now I'll be sharing how this chia seed helps women ovulate. Now we're looking at number one. It is rich in omega-3 fatty acids. You see, instead of taking supplement upon supplement, it's best to get chia seed. Yes, get chia seed because it contains omega-3 fatty acid, which helps balance reproductive hormones, especially estrogen and progesterone. Yes, if you have high estrogen or high progesterone, there is a high tendency that you will not ovulate. But when they are balanced, you will definitely ovulate. Now, number two is high in zinc. Chia seeds are high in zinc. It is essential for follicle development and egg release. That's to say, chia seed helps our egg to release. Chia seed, because it is high in zinc, it helps your egg to release during ovulation. Number three, it is packed with antioxidants. Because it is packed with antioxidants, it helps protect eggs from oxidative damage and helps in improving the egg quality. It helps to protect the egg from stress, from damage, and also it helps in egg quality. Now, number four is it regulates blood sugar. You know that when your sugar is high, when your sugar is high, that is one of the symptoms of PCOS. Yes, and when a woman has PCOS, you cannot ovulate. Now with chia seed will help regulate your blood sugar, stabilizing insulin levels, which helps women with PCOS. When your insulin level is high, it can lead to PCOS, and when you have PCOS, you cannot ovulate. So with the help of chia seed, it regulates your sugar level. And when it regulates your sugar level, you'll be able to what? Ovulate. You'll be able to what? Ovulate. I hope you are listening. Number five, it improves urinary blood flow, which is your womb. It improves the flow of blood in your womb. The nutrients help build a healthy womb for implantation. Let me put it like that. The nutrients in chia seed helps in building a healthy womb for implantation. You know, when your womb is healthy, that is when implantation can happen. But when the blood does not flow well in your womb, implantation will be difficult to take place. You know what is implantation? Okay. Number six, which is the last one, supports hydration and cervical mucus. Yes, many people when they are ovulating, they don't see their cervical mucus, and when you don't see your cervical mucus helps protect or preserve sperm. Yes, it helps preserve sperm. But when you don't see cervical mucus, there is a high tendency that sperm will die quickly. So, but when you take chia seed, the chia gel helps the body hydrated, aiding fertile cervical fluid production. The chia seed, the water from the chia seed helps your body to be hydrated and also helps in getting fertile cervical fluid production. So if you are a woman, do not joke with chia seed. Do not joke with chia seed. It is very, very powerful. One of the powerful natural seeds that you cannot joke with. Now, how to prepare this chia seed? Get 1 spoon. Now get 1 spoon of this chia seed, pour it in a cup. You can see it. This is chia seed. You can see how tiny it is. Pour it in a cup, soak it overnight. Pour it in a cup and add water to it. It can be warm water, it can be hot water. Leave it overnight. You take it in the morning before eating. You take it first thing in the morning before eating. You can also take it at night after eating. So that's how to use it. Take it every day, even when you are seeing your period or when you are not seeing your period, take it. If you take this thing, you see your cervical mucus will be flowing like water. You'll be like, what happened? How did this happen? Like you will be looking for pad to pad the cervical. I'm telling you the fact. You'll be looking for pad to part the cervical mucus, because it will be coming out excess, it will be coming out, as it will be flowing like rivers of water. Yes, I'm telling you this thing with experience. It will be flowing like rivers of water. So if you find this video useful and valuable, kindly subscribe to this channel, like and share, so that others will learn. Okay.